Morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a keyring. Okay guys, we're going to do a keyring. So I have my looped keyring. I have a length of waxed cord, my name, and I'm going to pick now some pony beads. I like pony beads because the holes are quite big for enough for you to put in, thread your cord into. So I'm going to pick some purples, some pinks, and I normally have the same colours on the other side of the name. So we'll have that one and a pink, and I'm going to have some light pinks as well. I'm going to have 4. So okay, now I've picked my beads. Now I'm going to thread the cord through the keyring, each end level, and then I'm going to put a knot as high up to the keyring as possible to secure it. Pull it tight. You may need to do about, I would say more, probably 3, depending on how tight you do the knots, but I try to get the knots on top of each other, and that way then you're not going to lose your beads. So there we go. I'm going to try one of them now. I'm going to try the light pink, and try, see it's gone over, so we need to do an extra knot. Oops, missed. Another one, and I'm going to do another one just to make sure that it's going to be secure enough. That's better. So now I'm going to start and thread my colours. Again, no, that's not going to go anywhere now, so we'll have the light and the dark. This is how I like to be. I like everything right. I don't like light colours together and dark colours together. I like to mix and match them. So now we're going to, it's better to find your letters, sort your letters out, put your letters in the way you want them, make sure they're spelt right, because in the past I have made a keyring, finished it all off, and then realised that I'd spelt the names wrong, and then I've had to start again. So I normally find it this way. So we'll do that. There we go. So now I've got the name on. We're going to thread now the rest of these. So I'm going to go backwards now. I'm going to go backwards with the colours so it all balances up. So we've got a dark, then we got the light, and we got a pink. Or you could have gone the same in that order. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it is your project, and whatever you're happy with, that's fine. So now we're going to tie a couple of knots. Could have done with a bit more cord. Cord length, it depends on your name really, on what you want to put on. As this is 6 beads and of course 6 letters, I've just guessed the name. I would probably think maybe 20 inches, just to be on the safe side. If you're going to do a smaller name, then you won't need as much really as you want. Then at the end, if you've got enough, what you could do then is you could add a charm on the end. It's entirely up to you, and then tie that on, make sure it's well and secure, and there you have your keyring. So there you have it guys, your own keyring. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe if you would like to. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.